And so we'll raise the final glass, each to his joy and sorrow, and hope the numbing drunk will last till opening tomorrow. And when we stumble back again, like paralytic dancers, each knows the questions he must ask, and each man knows the answer. And so we'll drink the final drink that cuts the brain in sections, where answers do not signify, and there aren't any questions. I broke my heart the other day, it'll bend again tomorrow. If I was drunk when I was born, I'd be ignorant of sorrow. And so we'll drink the final toast that never can be spoken. Here's to the heart that is wise enough to know when it's better off broken.